Welcome to this week's Peeves, Tips, and Tricks, a holistic lifestyle YouTube channel, part of the Holistic Collaboration series, and I am Sherry Bainbridge. And this week we're going to take a little bit of a turn, and we're going to talk about a major peeve. And let's see if you guys agree. So please comment and share. Do the thumbs up, the subscribe, notification. Thank you very much. But I want to talk today about the unwritten rules. Everywhere there are unwritten rules. And it seems that some people pick up on these and some people simply don't. And these are the rules of the grocery store. Have you ever stood in line? Of course you have. And watched the person up at the cash register stop, and they watch every item go by and look at the price as if they remember every single price. They wait until the very end, then they pull out their wallet or fumble in their purse for the wallet, choose what card they want, and then put it in the machine. Everybody's lining up behind them thinking the same thing. So if you haven't figured it out, this is what people are thinking. Controlling personality. Honestly, have your card ready before you get up to the cash register. Everybody wants to get in and out of a grocery store. It is not, and I repeat, absolutely not a social place. Honestly, I don't want to stand in line, and I don't want to hear about how the doctor popped your butt boil. Nobody's interested. Please, we're just wanting to get through and get out. All a grocery store is a place that we spend our money on stuff we're going to crap out in the end anyway. Please look around you. It happens all the time, and it is mind-boggling. How do people of all ages and any type of gender stand a foot from the door, exiting or entering, stopping everybody from leaving, everybody from coming in, and it's there they choose to fumble in their purse, look for their keys, or even look over their ticket. Everybody is looking at each other over these people, and we're all thinking the same thing. These people have blinders. They have no clue what's going on around them. So please, do not block doors. It's absolutely ridiculous. When you park your car, take the shortest route to the door. How many times have we seen somebody walk catty corner? This is what people think you are thinking. Well, look at me. Everybody has to stop and look at me. Oh, aren't I something? Honestly, all the people are thinking, you are nothing but a controlling person. Selfish and probably incredibly narcissistic. There's a reason you're probably walking alone. Like I said before, the grocery store is not social hour. When you're talking with someone that you are familiar with at the grocery store, please move your cart over so people can get by. There have been so many times I've been polite and said, "Excuse me," and they look at me like I'm totally nuts, and I have to turn my cart around to go all the way around to the other side in order to get one item that they likely might be blocking anyway. It does not bode well for you or any organization that you belong to. And what people are thinking, what an arrogant, self-centered person. Whatever they're connected with, I don't want to have anything to do with. Understand, there are unwritten rules. Be aware of what surrounds you, and like on the road, aid other people in being able to do what they need to do also. Please, have a wonderful week. Hope it's enjoyable and full of lots of laughter, and have patience. Some people really just don't have the brain cells to understand these unwritten rules. Divine love, everyone.